kahapon? Kahapon ba? Kahapon?
Hindi. Ngayon, pagka tinulak kay Lord.
Hindi, tulak mo. Ano ka mo, naka-purity ka ba?
Oo.
Saka ulo.
Imagine
Ay,
ginawa ko yun.
if naka-ano ka, if naka-fallen ka, mag-face scale ka na lang. Legit.
Boy, wala akong
Kasi-
pay skill eh.
Ay, wala kang specs?
Hindi, oh yeah, also wala akong spec. Pero wala rin akong pay skill na stock.
Eh, di pumili ka.
Ayoko nga, wala akong silver. What do you mean?
Ah, sorry. Hindi. Kasi, you don't really need the... Ako personally, if I was the one playing Fallen, I don't personally really need the purity. If we're kiting, especially.
Anyway, like starting guys.
Okay, fight
Or
again.
find your own positions.
Hollow Falls, especially Judy Hollows. You can play on this side, on the gate, and on this side, okay? This side. But try dito ka, okay?
Gonna cycle with it guys. Can you do this? Walang ready.
See?
Di ako.
Okay.
Jumping.
Ready to catch next. Hilyam.
Tumalon ako.
Wala akong issue doon.
Hold
Okay.
na lang ako. I'm on the north.
How many engages do we have?
I still have jumper. I still can catch.
Jumping.
Di ako below dito.
Ready to catch weapon.
Tumalon ako.
Silver leak.
I'm pull down.
I'm leaning auto right now.
Hilyam. Nag-ano kayo? Nag-drop ka ng fallen doon.
Yeah. I dropped my
Okay.
fallen.
Good. Nice.
Hold down Iko ah.
Yes.
5 seconds.
Be ready.
Ready.
Ready
Okay, ready to catch next engage.
Ready. Jumping.
Nag-jump ako. Wala akong
Nag-jump ako.
Yeah, I also jump.
Ito
It's
yung
okay.
nag-jump.
It's
I dropped
okay.
Heal ko siya.
I dropped my
Yeah, it's okay. I'm good. Nature, can you top of the backline? Nature?
Drop your mushroom on the back line, bro.
Ready.
Where?
62% gate, okay? Okay. Almost. Heal Bertie. One healer, look at the west tower, okay? Okay.
Northeast ako.
Nasa north
Okay.
din ako.
Northeast.
Jumping. Holding.
Kaya tama hilo, pero
Yeah. I jump on the front.
Di ako.
Tapos na ako.
Hold na lang ako.
Jump.
8 seconds.
Wala akong issue doon dito.
I already.
Napunit.
Oh, my face dropping like shit, bro.
Northeast ako.
Ready fallen. Ready to
Ready.
headbutt. Galing ni Jen.
Tumalon ako.
Okay.
Meron pa ako.
5 seconds. Ready. Silent,
okay.
silent.
Mimi ko kay Yam. Mimi ko kay Yam.
Good, good. Ready to catch. Ready to catch next jump. Ready to catch next jump.
Cool down ako.
Malun ako, malun ako.
Drop me you on that.
Shock. Hindi ko yung shock, hindi ko yung shock.
Yeah. Also this jump.
Malun ako. Sige ako, sige.
Okay. No jump to jump.
Ready,
Seconds
ready,
by next jump.
Ready na.
Okay. Ready to jump. Ready to jump. Hello, Paul.
Ready.
Okay. Good. Fallen ready.
Ready.
Okay. Ready to catch him on the front. Ready to catch him on the front.
Wait me.
Okay.
Silent.
Have me again.
Okay. Ready again.
Ready.
Already.
Ready fallen.
Ready.
Ready, okay. Ready to headbutt, okay?
I drop.
Madami si damage.
Jumping.
Nagi ako.
No. Yeah.
Wala na,
Mimi Yam.
Come on.
Hindi ko kay Yam.
Cool down din ako.
Ready.
Okay. Ready to catch next engage. Okay.
Ready. I can get the high bat.
Ready.
Clicking was.
Better go out.
Okay.
Dropping E.
No. No need.
Nasa southeast ako.
No, I was offensive.
Southeast.
Like-
Hindi na talaga need. They were very... Those were the tanks.
Nasa north
Saka,
ako.
sige.
Nasa north ako.
I got when you see the back again, bro.
Watching the middle.
Southeast ako.
I'm watching the front.
Okay. Engaging on front.
Color inside.
I don't have wings.
Dropping.
Drop 2D.
I'm pulled down.
Trap all in.
I drop.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna die. Yeah, I died.
I'm dead.
I don't have any more, bro.
Yeah, I died.
No more hits for me. No cooldown. No cooldown for me. What? Yung mga healer naman tayo.
Second. The fall.
FPS drop, sorry.
So people from.
It's okay.
Way ako. Saan kill mo?
Heal chance. Pre. This nature shouldn't be used for headbutt. Honestly, this should be used for top up. Earlier, you could have won there if you have wild staff in the middle.
Let's go, player. Walk now, player.
Heal. Ready to catch him.
Nagi ako. Wala ko.
Sorry.
Hindi ko i-ko kay Yam.
Yeah, I tried. They also
Ako
jump.
din, late yung talon ko. Kay Yam.
I didn't go. So you
How many healers do we have left? Healers, okay.
Kompleto PT1.
I'm running back.
Sorry. Rampant. If we're kiting back and we're low, make sure to drop your rampant on the location that we're going in, okay? No, never use it when you're headbutting. Use it for top up.
Nagi ako. Wala ko.
Go.
Also down heal.
Tapos na. CD la.
One healer, can you go northeast and then the top of the tanks on the northeast?
I'm zoning away.
I have jump, okay? I have jump.
Ako din.
They're walking in, okay?
Careful in the Oasis, there's a gunter here.
Yeah. Play on the stairs on the tower on the northwest, or play on the gate to southwest, okay? Don't go inside the Lord room. You will be will left behind. Trust me.
May GA, may GA mata mo sa southwest, northwest part, sa baba.
Ready to catch up, okay? Ready to catch.
Ready.
Drop Judy! Drop Judy in the stairs, drop Judy in the stairs, drop Judy in the stairs. Wala akong kills, wala akong
Ako yung nag-red.
Teka na engage yan,
Cool down ang lahat. Cool down bigat.
Hilaris.
I'll be there in 3 minutes.
Okay. Ready to jump on this one, okay? Ready to jump on this. Patabag naman ako ng sa one, please. Left and right of one, left one. Turn on the south, turn the south. Tapos na, no?
I'm zoning now in bug.
Okay, it's nice. Kailangan yung Colin, Justin, pang head up.
Yeah.
Nag-i-wala ko.
In the front, can you drop Judy in the front? Drop Judy in the front.
Nag-G.
Depo mo na lang yung solve ka. Hindi ko napansin eh.
Amanda South.
Oh fuck, na-depo ko lahat, King.
Asan ka second?
Dito sa likod mo.
Nag-i ako, wala ko.
Okay.
Aman bin Mali.
Southwest side ako ah.
Nasa west din ako.
Okay, ready to catch up one, okay?
Drop me.
Jumping.
Okay, nice. Cool down, please. Cool down.
Cool down. I'm cool down.
Resetting.
Okay.
Oh fuck, ayun.
Don't play too close on the gate, okay? Don't play too close on the gate.
You have healers
Engage. Ready fallen.
Ready.
Okay. Nice.
Agad stop.
Okay, stop. Ready for depth. Ready to catch Judy, okay? Judy up.
I'm gonna use my purity here.
I'm going west.
Careful on the northwest, okay? Okay, hitting.
Jumping.
Nice.
I'm cool down.
Okay, cool down as well.
10 seconds.
Oh fuck, I got picked by auto, what the fuck?
Okay.
Shaper.
Shaper.
I'm ready.
Ready to jump ahead, bud. Ready to bump for
Jump.
Jumping.
I got picked by auto earlier.
It's okay. Cool down.
Okay, go.
I'm cool down.
Meron ako
Okay.
I'm on west.
Sa PIA, sa PIA, sa PIA.
Walang E, walang E. Nag-E ako,
Okay,
nag-E ako.
sorry. Nice, 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 nice.
Cool down, cool down.
Resetting, resetting, resetting. Heal flutter, heal flutter, heal
Heal
flutter.
scatter, heal scatter, heal scatter.
Walang E, walang E.
Drop nature in the back. Drop nature in the back.
Eh, fucking safer, what the
Nature
fuck?
West, Nature West. Shaper pala.
Naano ako na ako, na-shaper, naano ko na ako. Call this.
I'm ready
Na
to jump,
soul
I'm
side ako,
ready to
soul
jump.
side ako.
Escalation ng shaper.
Bama, bama, bama.
Mama, I'm jumping.
I jump, okay?
I jump.
Joke lang.
Nag-E ako, walang E.
Nature please, nature please. Top up the back side. Top up
Where's
the
our
back side.
chariot? Where's our chariot? Where's our chariot?
Shell on the northwest, okay? Don't hug the northwest wall. Don't hug the northwest wall.
Where's our
Bugibang.
chariot? Ay, doon sa bana.
Ito, AFK lang ako ha, ihil lang ako, share lang ako.
Asan chariot natin?
No jump. Okay, no jump. I jump. No cool down.
I'm cool down.
Okay.
Ano pala? Nag-dismount pala.
Okay. Heal the front. That's the front.
Nag-E ako.
Nice. Okay.
I'm ready to jump, I'm ready.
Okay. Catch next jump, okay? No jump for us.
I'm going
Two
south.
jump. Okay.
I'm going south. I'm on west. Tama nila yearning. Natapa na
Okay.
sila yearning. Bump na sila yearning.
Alam ko na yun.
I'm on west.
Ready side.
Careful.
Sorry,
Oh.
Zeken. Tinry kita doon, kaso na ano rin ako.
Sumabog ako doon, kita mo?
Oh boy, ang sakit.
Full health yun, boy.
Tama nila Jen. Pumatay si Jen. Still have first right?
Probably. Nagmamal na si Kingston sa chat, boys.
think so, yes.
This point, bro, I'm getting tilted again.
Wala rin ako ng castle.
In. Pakakin. Oh boy, hindi ka pakakin. Yo.
What's up, Nigas? Okay, the chariot is here. I am happy.
Any ako, any.
One healer play on the stairs. Preferably not hollow call.
Fallen ata.
Yes, either
Bro.
fallen or nature. No. Nature play on the back. Fallen, second ikaw dito sa stairs.
Sige boy, pagdating ko dyan boy.
So, sorry, pa-open ulit ako. Restart PC ko.
It's okay, it's okay.
Tangina boy, nababad trip na ako sa putang ng weapon na to boy. Tapong ko na to.
Wag.
Hindi siya makagalaw pag ano eh.
Ready to hit front? I'm on west.
Sorry, what happened? Ready to this one. Sorry.
Dopin eh. Yes, yeah.
Hello?
I'm in west.
Hello, par.
Second, malapit ka na?
Ah, Johnny.
Okay. Head.
Jumping,
Jump.
side jump.
Heal the front. Heal the front.
I'm cool down. Come on, hit
Nice.
Cool down. Kumulan ako.
Nice heal. Okay. Heal Banox on the southwest. Heal Banox on the southwest. Nice. Beamers, don't forget the dash dash, okay? Stay percent. Okay, I have no person.
Okay, I'll be going in on left side.
Okay.
Ikot muna ako, wait lang. Ready. Dad.
Top of the front, please. Ready? Heal.
Wala.
Nice.
Kaya,
Nagi ako, wala akong
Good
wala
job.
akong-
Good job.
kaya nila.
I'm ready.
Wala akong park yan.
I'm here.
No need to jump.
Nature. Top of the back, okay? Top of the back.
81 ako.
I'm ready to jump.
Okay.
Ready.
Ay.
Ready death, okay?
Kaya nila.
Come on,
Hilan.
Ilan.
Heal mo ta. Ito.
Ay, you. Yo, shipper.
Dalaga ko, boy.
I copy.
I am lagging so bad. I am 300 ping right now.
Ano?
Second. Wala akong ano. Tama.
Okay. Fallen up.
Ready. Ready na ako.
Fallen up.
Okay. Nice.
Ang tawag ito?
One only, watch the northeast, okay? Watch the tank.
Hindi ko mabim si Otto. Wala siyang crown ha. Wala akong party.
Nasa southeast ako.
Bedra.
May nag-bed ka? Ready to catch birdies.
Yo, is our chariot in the TS? Bro, if you're here in TS, can you drop? Yo, shipper. So chariot, if you're here, can you drop mana on the west tower?
You ready for headbutt fallen, ha? Ready to headbutt for fallen.
Copy. Andyan may agad.
Okay.
Been chilling. Dad. Yeah.
Dulog ako. Ready to catch fallen. Fallen. No, jump ka.
I don't know yet.
Okay.
I'm gonna try to
Nature
reset.
top up at the back.
5 seconds.
Bump south.
Still the south.
Agad silent.
Ito.
Okay, I need to go back.
Nature. Don't
Ready.
use your cleanse to top up, okay? Don't use your cleanse to top up. Use it when someone's immobilized. Never use it for tapping up. Shaper.
Yo, shipper.
Shaper the south.
Yearning.
Dropping E. I'm gonna reset with you.
Yeah, okay.
Hindi ako tumala. 5 seconds please.
They fake in the southeast. Yes.
I'll go down. Yo, very good. Okay, dropping E.
Falling.
I dropped my fall. I already dropped my fallen, bro.
I'm in the west.
Okay. Tumalon pa ako.
Okay, careful. Yo. Ready gig pat.
Enemies inside. I'm jumping.
Ano, may ECD. Okay.
CD ako.
I'm cool down. Tama ni Loto. I'm cool down.
I'm dropping my E here.
I jump. Auto is stonista.
Follow to. Okay, bye boys.
Nakapro ko pa.
Try to save yourself, guys.
Out na ba tayo?
Probably.
Dito na. So, okay na to. Hindi na babalik.
I think
Hindi ka sure.
not really sure.